While we might be the first in Tuscarawas County, we're not going to be the only.
Football practices have been called off for almost 2 weeks at a local high school after one of its players tested positive for COVID-19. Bob Jones tells us that now most of that team is in quarantine.
We're going to work hard to keep kids safe. That's our top priority.
Dover Superintendent Carla Burney says her students desperately want normalcy, but the football team and their parents were reminded of the difficult times we're in when one of the players tested positive for the coronavirus. He was last at practice 5 days ago.
The health department has notified all of our players and coaches who were at practice with this individual on Friday.
The player who is symptomatic is isolated. There is no practice taking place at the stadium, while about 70 players and some coaches are quarantined. The health department is telling the players to remain in quarantine until July 11th. During that time, they should take their temperature twice a day and watch for COVID-19 symptoms.
Our anticipation is that we're back at it on July 12th. But again, none of us know what's going to happen between now and then.
A student athlete contracting the coronavirus and potential spread, exactly what many districts worry about as teams ramp up their practicing. It was just last week when the state cleared high school contact sports for scrimmages. Burney believes more cases will pop up in other school districts.
I believe that Dover is the first school district to have to address this problem in Tuscarawas County. I know we're not the first in Ohio.
The ball game on the scoreboard.
What does this mean for high school sports season starting next month? The Ohio High School Athletic Association is getting closer to releasing guidelines, but for now says procedures on how to handle positive COVID-19 tests are up to health departments.
I believe that this fall is going to be difficult for everyone. I think it's going to be difficult for our teachers and our students in the classrooms. It's going to be difficult for our fine arts performers, our athletes. We're going to have to take it a day at a time.
In Dover, Bob Jones, News 5.